So my daughter asked me to make a diorama for her school project. It's just a display that she can build stuff inside of it for one of her projects. It's gonna be 2 feet wide, 1 feet deep, 1 feet high. It's gonna be open on the front and open on the top. I'm gonna build it out of 1/2-inch plywood that I have laying around that's extra from different projects that I've had. I'm gonna connect everything together with pocket hole screws and glue to hold everything together real nice. You'll need an impact and a drill to drill the pocket holes and to put the screws in. Tape measure to measure all your cuts. A skill saw to make all the cuts. And then obviously a little bit of plywood. I'll leave a link in the description to all the tools in case you want to go pick these up and follow along and do the same thing I'm doing. So the first things first, we're going to cut all of our pieces so then we can just assemble them. So let's start cutting. So this is what I got. This is the diorama. You got an open front and an open top. The sides were cut to 1 foot by 1 foot. The bottom was cut to 1 foot 11 by 12 inches. And the back was cut to 1 foot 11 by 11.5 inches to make a nice square box that is 2 feet by 1 foot by 1 foot tall. Now we got to drill some pocket hole screws so that we can screw everything together and make it look nice. And make it a little sturdier so she can carry it on the bus. There we go. All the pocket hole screws are drilled. Now we'll start assembling it with a little bit of glue on all the edges and then 2 pocket hole screws on every side. Let's do it. There you go, a simple and easy diorama for your kids' project. They're gonna appreciate it. I know my daughter's gonna appreciate it. And you know what? It's fun building stuff, so why not do a little bit extra? If you got some scrap lumber laying around, this is a perfect little project. And you know what? Have them come out and help you. That would be even better. So help out your kids, make them something cool, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.